welcome back to Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What I am doing today is I'm going to attempt the largest cloud pour, straight pour I have ever done using a cup and not a split cup. So I'm nervous. I usually don't get nervous, but for this one I am nervous. But yeah, I've been watching Tiffany from Willie B Studios and Sherlock Art, Mr. Sheldon Briscoe, and I was like, I need to get back to those cloud mixes, man. And I want to get started on doing more cloud pours again too, or cloud pearl pours too, because I miss those also. But it's going to be a cloud mix straight pour today, and I'm hoping I can pull it off. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I believe I showed you the colors already. Let's see. We have got, let's see if I can remember them off the top of my head. Nightfall by this little piggy. Got a lot of piggies. Nightfall by this little piggy. Nebula by this little piggy. I want to say this is Sangria. This little piggy, Sangria. And then Golden Peach, and I believe it is also Color of the Year. So, and last year's Color of the Year was Magenta, so these two just look freaking awesome together. So I'm excited. I'm excited for these. I also have some, cerulean blue. I don't know if I'm going to put any of this in the cup, but I know I'm going to make my big puddle that we're going to pour and churn into the cerulean blue. And then this is our cloud mix. It is just the 1 part Artist Loft Soft Body, 1 part Vallejo Pearl Medium, 2 parts Floetrol mix, and add water to consistency. Yeah. And I'm leaving mine a little bit on the thicker side. I don't want them too thin. Let's see, I don't know if you can see in there, but it gets a bit of a trace, you know? It does the mound on the mound thing, kind of. But it dissipates fairly decently. So that's the consistency that we're working with. Hopefully you were able to see that. All right, I'm going to layer my cup first, and then I will pour down my puddle. Like I said, I still haven't decided if I want to put some of this in my cup or not. I also have a couple of spare cups on standby in case I don't like the center. Hopefully I can layer another little cup and kind of go in and do some touch-ups if need be.
Okay, well, we're going to speed things up here. This is 8 times speed, and I'm going to put some music on for you because you will see I really don't care for this first pour, and we're going to do another layered cup on top of it later on. So let's play some music and check this one out first.
Okay, here we go. Let's try this. And, oh boy. All right, here we go. Go up high. Let it churn.
It's our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight. Boy, you got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, yeah. Dance with me. The music is making me so dizzy. I need to give in to the strong rhythm, 'cause I'm beginning to break free. Be with me. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Be with me. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight. Boy, you got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight. Boy, you got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Round and around, yeah. I'm at the top of the world. I'm at the top of the world. I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around, round and around.
Okay. Hey.
All alone, feel like you need your space. Isn't that in your own home that ain't great? But I know if you and me are safe, we'll finally get away. I am sure, I know you need to wait. I watch you from afar and that's just great. I am exactly what you need, babe. We'll finally get away. I'll be waiting for you every day till you call it. I feel so alright. You need more of me, all my loving. It's a love spring. Get over here and let you in. It's a love spring. I'll be your guide in your wildest dreams. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Wildest dreams. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh.
Okay. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. No. Nope. We are going to clean our toes, check our consistencies, with a little drip test. Okay, we're back. Let's try this again. Okay.
You need more of me, all my loving. It's a love spring. Get over here and I'll let you in. It's a love spring. I'll be your guide in your wildest dreams. Love spring. Get over here and
don't like that dot. I'm not that keen on that. Let's see. There we go. I think that'll help a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's got like little wings on it. Got the tiniest little wings. It's like a little fairy bug. Grab the camera so you can see here. You see it? You see that little cell? It does, it has like little fairy wings in there. Hoping you can see it. Like a little butterfly. Like it's got 2 top wings and 2 bottom wings. Oh, gotta see it now because once I stretch it out, it'll probably be going bye-bye. How cool is that? Huh? I love the magic of fluid art. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's percolating. Things are changing a little bit. Okay. Give it a little bit of a torch. Okay. Fingers crossed that this time is a charm, right?
Now I know that it has always been you. I can't help it, I'm so drawn to you. Just like a magnet, we're just like the magnet. The things we have can't be taken for granted. Now I know that it has always been you. I can't help it, I'm so drawn to you. Hey, drawn to you. Drawn to you. I'm so drawn to you. Drawn to you. Ooh, just give me a sign. When stars align, tell me it's time. 'Cause we got something new and I know what a wonderful feeling. Just
Okay,
like
I am leaving it. I'm calling it. It's done. Is it my best work? Absolutely not. Is it my worst? Absolutely not. Oh. I can see my pearl white that I put around the edges last minute is starting to pop up and give us some little pearl cells. So only time will tell what this actually starts to look like.
And here it is all dry. I'm actually quite fond of it, and I can't wait to put some varnish on this to bring out all those beautiful lines in there. Want to remind you to please do the UB2B things, the likey, subscribies, and sharies. Also, if you haven't checked out Dave's DRH Acrylic Creations or just Janice yet, please check my description for the links to their videos and go back and give them a gander, please. I would truly appreciate it, and I want to thank you all so much for getting me to the 4K mark. We are going to celebrate as soon as things calm down a little bit around here. So until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!